Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, I apologize if I've been neglecting you lately. Things all of a sudden got so busy. And thank you for your emails, by the way. Oh my gosh, there's so much going on and people are writing and it's really interesting during this time of COVID when we've had so many things that we don't get to do anymore. Suddenly the idea of creating something new is a really, really good thing. I think it's very healthy. Whether you even do anything on it or not, it's very healthy to keep creating, keep the dreams alive, keep going. So update on the flying during COVID thing. Okay, so I got my test results back. What I did was through a place called Pixel Lab Corp, I ordered an online testing kit. And they turned it around. I mean, it got a little bit crazy because Aruba gives you a week, from the time you tested to the time you actually arrive. And I received the results this morning, and I tested a week ago this morning, so I uploaded it really quick and they accepted it. So I'm getting on a plane tonight, and I'm not gonna stop till I get there. So yeah, just to let you know, the at-home testing kit, nothing to it. You just swab your nostrils and send it in, just follow the directions really, really carefully, and you can get results, within a decent time frame. There's a lot of backlog now. Okay, so I'm flying through Miami. I'll be heading off tonight, and I will show you what the airport looks like. I'll let you know if you can buy food. I'm bringing snacks with me because I don't know if it's available. Please God, let them have coffee. Okay, that's all I need. So hopefully in Miami I'll find coffee, and then I'll be in Aruba, and then quarantine at the beach. That'll be really nice. So anyway, I just wanted to say, hey, I'm still here. I'm thinking a lot about you guys. I'm writing to you and all of that stuff. And I will update you from Aruba and give you videos on what it's like to fly post-COVID. So hope you're doing well. See you later.